Hello, welcome to Glady Tech YouTube channel. In this video, we're talking about how to translate Chinese in Rednote. So if you want to do that, the first thing you have to do is to log into your Rednote app. The next thing is to click on your particular comment you want to translate to English. You just have to click on it steadily, copy it. Now you have to download the app called Google Translate on your device. So this is my Google Translate. So you just have to open your Google Translate, go to your Play Store app and download it, or your App Store. Then the next thing you have to do is to make sure that you are going to place the Chinese first and the English second. Should be the swapping in the swapping section. So your Chinese language should be in the section and your Chinese language should be in the swapping section. So now you have to paste the language you want to, the word you want to translate, and now you just have to click on it and click on English. So it's going to automatically translate to English. It means follow me and I will answer. So guys, that is it on how to translate Chinese on Rednote to English. If this video was helpful, do well to like, subscribe, share, and do not forget to hit the notification bell to always get helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.